Hello, my name is Hardi. I finished master degree in nursing, medical surgical nursing in best university in Iran, Tehran University Science Medicine. Uh, in school, nursing and midwifery. My title on assess knowledge attitude of emergency nurses regarding legal issues in selected hospitals in RB 2023-2024. Uh, I studied 2 years in Iran. Iran, best place for study for tourists. I visit very places in Iran. They have very place for tourists, and I love Iranian food, especially dizi, zirish pulu bamorokh, and falafel vijay with mushroom pizza. It's very delicious. I love Iranian food, and now I can speak Persian very well because Persian language is very sweet. Iran, they have a lot of poets like Hafiz, like Umar Khayyam. They have a lot of poets. Saadi Shirazi say, "Bani Adam a'zai yedigaran, kadar afarinish zeyek goharan." Thank you so much.